In today's video, I want to share with you an easy way to generate engagement. Look at this. 240 comments on this tweet, 635 comments on this tweet, 691 comments, which also led to a massive increase in email subscribers. What's the secret to getting this many subscribers and this many engagements on our tweets? They are Twitter auto giveaways, meaning we have aligned something that we're promising. Then we're having people comment on the tweets, and they need to follow us for the DM of those comments. Then, when they comment, we send them a link to whatever we're promising, and we send them a link to our tool. Now, on this screen, we can either send them to it directly, or we can ask for their email address. And this is by far the fastest way to build an email list that I've ever seen. And you can do it for free. You don't need paid ads. You don't need anything for this. Here is how to do this. Step one, you're going to want a tool called Tweet Hunter. We'll go ahead and log into our dashboard. Tweet Hunter helps you do these auto giveaways. Now, you write the tweet. I like to have some kind of big promise. I've been doing it in the past based on YouTube videos. For instance, we'll go to YouTube, we'll look at my past videos here, and we'll see what's live. You want to find a good one that's like a tutorial video or some secret that is being shared. Here's a good one, how I use AI for cold email without spamming. Now, a good tweet has several parts to it. Let's use this one as the base. You can see it's the case study. I use GPT to create $30,000 marketing research reports. Then it's the question, want to do the same. Then comment AI, and I'll send over step-by-step instructions, must be following for the DM, and then an image. So we can copy this exact same structure here into our giveaways. I use GPT to create $30,000 marketing research reports. I use GPT to optimize and scale my cold email campaigns. Then a promise. This has generated a ton of meetings so far this year, and it doesn't involve any spammy or cringe tactics. Good? Okay. Want to do the same? Comment email, and I'll send it over step by step, must be following. So now there's a couple things you want to look out for. One is this. You want to be under the character limit. But two, you want to look out for this thing. Tweet Predict Analytics will predict how impactful the tweet is. For instance, if you remove this, now it should go from 56%. So it's at 55. So 56% to 55. But if you remove this sentence, from 56 to 67. Now, the other thing you play with are the specific words. Comment email, and I'll send over step-by-step instructions. You want to just test a couple things. I'll send over the training, and it goes from 67 to 63. Okay. So it gets worse. Send over a video breaking it down. 63 to 60. Okay, so the original one was better. And then I also like to include an image with these because I find the ones with images tend to do better. This one was an image screenshot of the video. Client paid $1,250 for an hour consult, has enough value after 20 minutes to end the call. I recorded the whole thing. Want to see it? Comment yes below and I'll send it over. Must be following. And then an image was of the video. Here as well, we have just an image of the video for the marketing report. And then here, I wrote 10 brand new cold email templates while my wife watched the baby. Want them, comment email, and I'll send them over. We have this picture of my beautiful son, David. So let's go ahead and grab a screenshot of this here and drag it on over to Tweet Hunter. Now inside Tweet Hunter, I also like to click this button, which helps optimize it for Twitter. I'll just set the background as black, but this is the ideal ratio for Twitter and makes it easier to share so that nothing's getting cut off. I use GPT to optimize and scale my cold email campaigns. This has generated a ton of meetings so far this year. Want to do the same? Comment email and I'll send over step-by-step instructions. I want to test one thing. I use GPT to scale my cold email campaigns. Gives us 68. I use GPT to optimize my cold email campaigns. Gives me 72. That's exactly what I thought. And this isn't 100% accurate, this Tweet Predict, but I found that it's pretty accurate. Now we set up the auto DM. So we'll click auto DM here. Hey, thanks for commenting. Here are the scripts. So I'll instead do this. I'll go over to leadpages.com, go to landing pages. And you can see I've done a ton of these. And the landing pages on lead pages always convert so high. 84% conversion rate on that one, 52% on that one. Very good, 71% down here. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy one of these scripts. Right here, Alex Berman consult recording, duplicate. And this one's gonna be called GPT for cold email. Start building. And then we just name it, free video. I'm gonna remove free video. I'm gonna say, how I use AI for cold email without spamming. The video, then name, email address, and then in integrations, we'll add it right to our Aweber form right here. And then we'll have this be GPT cold email just as a little tag. That way they automatically go into our drip and get sold on whatever we're selling. Then here, we just copy paste this URL into the external. And now once they sign up, they are sent here. So we hit publish. I'll just make it cold email GPT. Hit publish. By the way, this is a great way to boost your YouTube engagement as well. You get a ton more subs and a ton more engagement if you send them YouTube videos this way, instead of just publishing them on YouTube by themselves. Now we go back to Tweet Hunter. We say thanks for commenting. Here it is. Boom. And if you want to build your own AI in under 10 minutes, you can do that here, Galadon.io. Galadon is a business that I run that helps you build your own AI. We help you build modals like this on your website, which is an easy way to integrate AI into your site. So if you want to promote your business, you can do the same like I do. And then you just hit tweet now, confirm that it looks good, and go. Now you can see on Twitter, it's live. And what I'll also do is like it or engage with some of my other accounts. For example, I have Alex Berman's Locker, which is built just for these giveaways. So we'll go ahead and do the same. That way, these followers will see it as well, and I'll comment, email the same way. And then we're good to go. That just goes out into the ether. It gets the engagement, it generates the leads, and we're all set. Let me know down in the comments below. What do you think of this strategy? Are you going to use this for yourself? Go out there and do it and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching the video. I'm Alex Berman. Smash that like button for more, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.